everyone. Well, today I think I should find a better way to start my videos than saying, well, today I want to talk about. But generally that's what I want to do. Wanna. That isn't even in the English dictionary, I don't think. Not very good English to say wanna. So how else do I start a video apart from saying hello to you all and welcome. If it's the first time you're watching a video, I do videos of course about my snakes, and majority are carpet pythons. I have a couple of spotted and I have a diamond python, and hopefully a couple more coming this year to have in my family here. But I want to talk a little, and I will have Lily because this is who I really want to talk about. And watching the light dimmer and come back, and it's going to drive me crazy, and I'm sure it drives you crazy too, but I don't know how to fix that. Actually, I might move the big light back, so I'll be back. Maybe it'll make a difference, maybe it won't, but we can only try, can't we? So Lily, so we need the Lily, don't we, to come out and join us today, because yes, it is about Lily, but it's about a relationship and how that began and how it does begin for those of us who are really wanting to have a relationship with their snake. And not everybody does, because not everybody believe it or think that snakes can have a relationship with you, or they have so many that it's just not practical to have a relationship with any of their snakes actually. But for me, it is a priority to have that with my snakes, and each and every one of them. And I'm not saying to you if I had 50 would I be able to achieve that with each and every one. Maybe not, but I would sure give it a good go. That's what I can say. So my girl has been wanting to come on out, so I know she'll be pretty eager to come on out. Come on out and say hello to everybody. Okay? I don't know if you can see because the camera's up a little high, isn't it, darling? Hey? There is never a problem in getting my Lily out. She does not grip with her tail. She does not hang on to anything. She does not panic. She does not nothing. Because Lily is so keen to come on out. And whether that be to have a little bit of time with me and then go off and explore is totally relevant to me. The fact that she's so comfortable to come on out as willingly as what she is says a whole lot to me anyway. And I'm very proud to have a lot of my snakes that are like that. I do have some that aren't, but Lily, there's never an argument with her about coming out and having time with me, ever. And that is because of the relationship that I have with her, that trust and that bond. And it started from the day that she arrived. I would say, was I as knowledgeable then as the knowledge that I've gained now? No, certainly not. Because in actual fact, Lily, I think, is the one that has taught me the most about my snakes. She has been the most, I don't know if the word is caring, but the most willing to be open to spending time with me. And she was so much littler then, and so much more unsure of everything around her then, as much as probably me to some degree. So we've both learnt along the way a lot about each other, and our relationship has grown and grown and grown because of the time that I spent with her and getting to know her. Now, you know, when I say the time spent with her, and I always say to you, it's not about, I'll put this down so that you can see her a little bit more and less of me. It wasn't always about me just physically holding her. And I remember the first few times holding Lily, she just literally wrapped herself around the fore part of my arm and sat there looking at me and was wary of me, and wasn't sure about how to approach me. And I didn't force that on her. I just allowed her to slowly but surely come to me. Now, all snakes, when they're littler, will be defensive to some degree. That is so natural, but it doesn't mean that they'll stay that way. And I want to put that as a very important thing to you all, that as they get bigger, they become naturally more confident in who they are anyway, and they will start to calm down on their own. But the more that you put into them when they're little, the more you're going to get back, and faster as they grow and become more confident. And that's the key, is the time you put in with them from the very beginning. I have loved Lily for the fact that she is always so excited to see me, that she has shown me that she cares about me and that she worries about me. She knows I worry about her too. You know, she stops eating, she stopped eating those rats, she wouldn't eat for months. Yeah, Mum gave in and gave her mice, which she loved, but she loved the chicks as well. She won't take chicks now because she prefers the mice over the chicks, but she has certainly taught me that I'm to go with the flow with them and not the other way around. I do live with my snakes. My snakes don't live with me. And I will always say that about them, because this is their space. I just share it with them, and they let me share it with them. Of course, some are more easygoing about sharing that space with me than others, but that's okay too. I'm fine with that, and I love the individuality about them all and what they do tell me. And I know for some people, you're still learning how to read your snakes and what they're saying to you, or what they're trying to say to you. They understand that you're not going to get it from the very, very beginning. They're very patient and very tolerant of our mistakes. So long as you treat them nicely and kindly, you'll never ever have an issue with your snake. And you will be able to read them because they'll respond to you. They'll be willing to open up their world to you, and they're willing for you to open up your world to them. I'm a huge advocate for a different way of keeping and caring for snakes, and I'll never ever ever change, because I have the snakes that I have in my life, and the beautiful relationship that I have with them because of the way I have cared and kept them. My snakes are not for me to have a business. My snakes are here for me to share with you all just how amazing they are. And Lily paved the way. Really and truly, honestly, Lily was the one who paved the way for me in so many ways to start doing my videos. And I know my eyes are cut off. I'm so sorry. But it is because of her that I picked up a camera. Although the first video I ever did was with Jack, who was such a get-about when he was younger, and he loved coming out. And you know, he's such a chilled and laid-back guy, but when he was younger, he was full of energy. He's just gotten bigger, and yeah, and he's slowed down a lot, and that's natural too. But Lily has always been my energetic, out there, easygoing girl, and I've been able to spend a real lot of time with Lily because she is like that, haven't I? Hey. She protects me. She cares about me when I'm not well. And I hope to, over the year, be able to capture those moments with all of my snakes and show you what they're doing and what I see them saying, so that you can understand a little bit more about how to read your snakes and how to develop that extremely good bond and relationship with them, because I want more than anything for more people to experience living with their snakes as a part of their family and their pets here in their home, and not just a morph, a colour, a breeder. There are a lot of people that live like that with their snakes. There's not enough of us that live with our snakes like I do. So I'd love to hear from you, and you tell me how you find your snakes and what do they really mean to you in your life. Take the time to get to know them. You want a Lily? You want a cruisy, beautiful, easygoing girl, and smart girl like Lily? You can have it, and I say that all the time, don't I? Hey? She's very much loved by me and by many. So we're just going to keep doing what we do, won't we, Lily? And share our life and hope that other people will realise how special they are, how smart they are, and that they can care about us. So, from me and my girl, who I know does not need to go to the toilet. It's not about going to the toilet today, is it, darling? here. It's about her going and having some free time. So guys, from me, Lily, all my snake family, my other animals, take care of yourself, your family, and your friends too.